let's look at TSM. I ain't looked at TSM in a minute. TSM, what's up? Like this. Yeah, listen, you saw TSM went all the way up here. TSM is gonna go back there again, right up here. So there's a nice opportunity, right? I mean, it doesn't mean get in now, but it's time for us to keep an eye on Taiwan again, because Taiwan is looking like Taiwan wants to move back up from here to here. So TSM, we can buy a 155 call, right? 155 call, 150 call in the money, right? And then target like 160. So TSM, after I'm done, I will look at some contracts and put some shit out there.